The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System uses a sensor in the front of the vehicle to analyze the speed and distance to the vehicle directly ahead, as well as a vehicle traveling in front of that one. The Predictive Forward Collision Warning System operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator along with an audible alert. The Predictive Forward Emergency Warning System turns on or off whenever the Forward Emergency Braking System setting is turned on or off. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the menu button. Touch the driver assistance key. Touch the emergency assist key. Touch the emergency braking key to toggle the system on or off. The warning light illuminates when the system is turned off. The forward emergency braking system automatically turns back on when the engine is restarted. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.